Happy fall, welcome back to my channel. I'm visiting my sister Paige. She moved far away from me, from Wisconsin to Connecticut, but I'm happy to be visiting her over the first day of fall, and we are happy to share some more recipes with you. She's enjoying a lovely pumpkin beverage right now. It is the Basic Witch from Hopster Brewing Company in Boston, and I have a homemade pumpkin smoothie that we'll be showing you how to make in this episode.
Oh yeah, with pumpkin we're gonna get real basic.
So we have 3 new recipes for you today, all including canned pumpkin, specifically the plain pumpkin, not the canned pumpkin pie mix. So it's just pureed pumpkin, 1 ingredient in the can. Make sure you do that, otherwise some of these recipes will be really gross. So we have a savory dinner for you that Paige has provided. Also, I'll show you how to make this smoothie, and then Paige is going to show us how to make some lovely, deceptively pumpkin-y cookies.
Yeah. So one of my favorite new recipes is this curry chicken sort of twist. It's pulled chicken in a curry pumpkin mixture, and then you can put it on potatoes or rice, or I like to go crazy and put it in a taco shell with cabbage and some sour cream. I know, crazy, but you're gonna love it.
So I can talk about how you make this delicious and beautiful pumpkin smoothie. So we started with the plain pumpkin base, although you probably could get away with doing pumpkin pie filling in this one if you messed it up. Because ultimately what we're going to add to it are the spices of pumpkin pie filling. We put in cinnamon and nutmeg, some vanilla, the milk of your choice. We used some dairy milk because we are from the dairy state of Wisconsin. Also added in some maple syrup for sweetener and some ice just to thicken it back up. And then you get this beautiful orange, relatively healthy smoothie that you can just season to taste and enjoy on a nice fall day.
Lastly are my cheat chocolate cookies. I say cheat because you don't realize that there's pumpkin in it, and you don't have to know how to bake to make them, because I don't know how to bake. I start with a half a can of pumpkin and a bunch of Oreos. Start with at least 8. Crush them up and just crush them with the pumpkin until it's dark and creamy. I like to add cocoa powder for even more chocolate flavor. You can also add a sweetener if you want more sugar or cinnamon, but all you need is canned pumpkin and Oreos. Dollop it onto your cookie pan, put it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes and just until they're dry, but they'll still be moist and soft when you take them out.
And I was really skeptical about these cookies because I was like that just seems like some weird sister concoction that you made, like a little Franken cookie, but they're actually really moist and really tasty, and they look like little turds, but they're surprisingly lovely. Those little turds stole my heart.
Aww.